Welcome. In front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to check the manufacture date of your laptop. So the manufacture date is located on the back cover of your device. Let me close the lid and show it closer to you so you can see the exact location of your manufacturing date. So on the back cover of your device you will find the MFG date indicator, which shows when your laptop was made. In my case it's 28th of May 2023. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.